Who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Right answer is option D. Mohan Lal. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2025? Right answer is option B. Greka Mitchell. Who won the men's singles title at the 2026 Australian Open? Right answer is option C. Carlos Alcaraz. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Right answer is option A. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Railway Board? Right answer is option C. Satish Kumar. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026? Right answer is option C. Karnataka. What is the name of the world's first digital travel university launched in New Delhi? Right answer is option B. Adi Sanskriti. Where was India's largest lithium ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Right answer is option D. Haryana. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Right answer is option C. Tianjin, China. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option C. TCA Kalyani. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win Ramon Magsaysay Award 2025? Right answer is option B. Foundation to Educate Girls. The Badminton World Championships 2026 will be hosted by which country? Right answer is option C. New Delhi, India. India defeated which team in Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Right answer is option A. South Korea. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Right answer is option A. Nitin Gadkari. Which country has officially become the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? Right answer is option C. Moldova. Who won the 2026 Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Puraskar in the individual category? Right answer is option A. Lieutenant Colonel Sita Ashok Selke. Which two states are part of exercise Sammanvay Shakti 2025? Right answer is option A. Assam and Manipur. Which city will host the 2030 Commonwealth Games? Right answer is option C. Ahmedabad. Which has become the first South Asian country to join the UN Water Convention? Right answer is option C. Bangladesh. What is India's rank in the Air Power Index 2025? Right answer is option B, third rank. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player of the Year award 2025? Right answer is option C, Osman Dembele. Which city is ranked India's dirtiest in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 report? Right answer is option C, Madurai. Which state government has launched India's first drone-based artificial rain trial? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. In which state Chawang Kut festival is celebrated? Right answer is option B, Manipur. What is the Cambridge Dictionary's word of the year 2025? Right answer is option A, parasocial. Who has been appointed as the chairman of 8th Pay Commission? Right answer is option C, Ranjana Prakash Desai. Who has become the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th time? Right answer is option B, Nitish Kumar. Where will the COP32 Climate Summit 2027 be held? Right answer is option C, Ethiopia. The Indian Army has declared which year as the year of networking and data centricity? Right answer is option B, 2026. Who assumed charge as the new 35th Director General of National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? Right answer is option D, all of the above. John Clarke, Mitchell H. Devoret, and John M. Martinez. Who won the 62nd National Chess Championship in 2025? Right answer is option C, Inian Pa. Who won their 8th FIH Men's Junior Hockey World Cup title? Right answer is option C, Germany. Which state has declared 2025 as the year of urban development? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. The joint military exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 was held between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Which country topped the 2025 Asian Archery Championship? Right answer is option C, India. Where was India's first digital museum of tribal freedom fighters located? Right answer is option C, Nava Raipur. PM Narendra Modi was honored with the highest honor, Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III of which country? Right answer is option D, Cyprus. Who has been awarded the National Kishore Kumar Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. What is India's rank in the Brand Finance Global Soft Power Index 2026? Right answer is option D, 32nd rank. Which country did India surpass to become the world's largest rice producer? Right answer is option B, China. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Where was the WHO's second global summit on traditional medicine held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi, India. What is the rank of India in Global Investment Risk and Resilience Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 104th rank. Where has ISRO launched the Hope mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Which country became the first in the world to receive UNESCO recognition for its national cuisine? Right answer is option B, Italy. What is India's rank in the 2026 Climate Change Performance Index? Right answer is option C, 23rd rank. Which state government has introduced the Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi scheme? Right answer is option C, Haryana. Where is India's largest green ammonia project being established? Right answer is option D, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state capital was connected to the national railway network through the Barabi-Sarinj rail line for the first time? Right answer is option A, Aizawl. Where was India's first ever high altitude climate research station inaugurated? Share your answer in this video comment section, and now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.